A very warm welcome to all of you. Today we'll see how to use ZoomApp for conducting classes, online classes. So let's see the laptop version. So the very first thing what you need to do is you need to install ZoomApp. So for that you just need to write Zoom app onto your Google, and the very first link, that is zoom.us, you need to click on it. Once you have clicked on it, you'll get this screen and you need to click on this download button. Once you have downloaded, it will ask you to log in, right? So you can log in through your Gmail, your Facebook account, any. And once you have logged in, you'll get this app as a icon on your desktop, right? Once you click onto it, you'll have this page. That means now you can start with your meetings and let join other people. So for conducting a class, you first need to do is you need to click on this arrow and the third option, that is the number written on it. This is the ID for your Zoom. Now if you want that this ID should be distributed to your class so that whenever you start a meeting, they should get in or join into your meeting through this ID. So you just have to click on to new meeting arrow here, then to the number and then copy ID. Once you have got the copy ID, you can just minimize it and open your WhatsApp web, right? You have opened your WhatsApp web and then you can select any of your group in which you want to send this meeting ID. Like for example, I have selected my class 11th group and I will click on right click and I'll write paste out there. This will give your meeting ID, just the meeting ID. But now if you want to have as well as password, you need to click on to the Zoom app. Again, arrow here, copy invitation. Once you have clicked on to copy invitation, you'll go to your WhatsApp web and then right click and paste. So here you will have the meeting ID as well as the password for it, and then you can press enter. So once you have done this, the students will be able to join you with this meeting ID and password. So after posting it onto your group, you can just write that you can join for English class or any subject, English classes at, let it be 9 a.m. today or tomorrow, or you can just write every Monday and then post onto the group. Once you have done that, what the students have to do, or if you've initiated the meeting, I'll just click on to this and I have initiated the meeting. So once you have started with the meeting, you will get this window and there is manage participant icon at the down. So you'll just click on to it and then you will be clicking on to admit all. This will let your students to come in face to face with this app for your classes. And you can end the meeting with this icon here, end meeting for all.